Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I came to Ningbo Botanical Garden. In this garden we're planning to interview a very famous illustrator. He's combining the science and also the art. So I hope people understand the beauty of nature and everything.
My job is a natural science illustrator. 欧物绘画主要是用工具来观测和记录大自然。Here, flower, one, different. This is different.
Oh, it looks like a butterfly.
Yeah,
So beautiful, yeah.
Yes, it's very natural. It's very interesting.
It is.
The spots reminded me of the scale patterns on tropical fish, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
它是只要空气中有湿度就能生长。
Just feel very beautiful connection with the nature.
Yeah, I agree with you. I start having a deep connection with the nature, and the time stopped in whole the world, and it's just my time with the nature
It's
and
like
the flowers.
Another universe.
Yeah, exactly.
They're preserving it like in a frame, and it
Yes.
can still grow.
Yes,
yeah, and have
right.
its life
Yes,
rather than
yes.
destroying its life. Yeah, it's so good.
Yeah.
This is the first time I came to know about this plant. The teacher said this plant can still grow without soil, and I feel a strong vibrance from this plant.
He was combining art and science together.
First time I'm seeing an artist who's using a microscope to draw.
Imagine.
I think he's very cool and very amazing.
And it really makes you feel relaxed, makes you feel comfort here.
I really felt very relaxed.
Just calm and soothe my soul. It's so good.